You won't guess how I achieved this makeup look. I'm just saying you won't guess because it looks like I did a lot, but I really didn't. And it was all thanks to e.l.f. for sponsoring this video that we were able to achieve this gorgeous look, because I don't know how I would have given you guys the first video in my series of quick summer makeup routines without this, okay? So if you want to see what products I use and how I achieved this look, then definitely keep on watching. Get out the way. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey. Okay, now I am going to be showing you the e.l.f. sunscreen skin tint, but I also have a few other Halo Glow products that I will be showing you. I will actually complete this whole look using a few other products, but essentially we will be focusing on the Halo Glow products, just so you know that you can achieve a gorgeous glowy skin for the beach in under 10 minutes, skin protected from the sun, and you have gorgeous glowy skin. There's also a sponge on sponge off kit that I picked up. The skincare girly in me had to pick up this sponge set because you get a sponge for your makeup, a sponge for the concealer and the tight to reach areas like your eyes and your under eyes. You get a powder puff. A lot of you know I fight with powder puffs on my channel, but I picked it up for this. This is the thing that I wash my face with. This essentially can help you take off your makeup if you're a micellar water user, or if you use the oil cleanser. After you cleanse the oils, you can use this to wipe it off. I also put cleanser on this and use it to wash my face, and I really needed to replace mine, so this is the main reason why I picked up this sponge kit, and it is literally everything you need all in one. Jump into a quick glowy beachy makeup look. I'm taking the Halo Glow liquid filter in the shade 8.5, and I will definitely be using it as a concealer type of a product and putting it on the parts of my face that I want to conceal, essentially also to brighten. From our pack of sponges, I already wet my sponge, so we're gonna go ahead and use that to blend it in. Okay, my face is glowing. Now this is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Skin Tint. It has mineral broad spectrum SPF 50 in here. It's water resistant, claiming to be hydrating. It has light coverage. It's naturally dewy, and apparently it's not going to give us a white cast. We know that mineral sunscreen on dark skin is a mess. It acts as a primer, a foundation, and a sunscreen all in one, and available in 18 shades with 6 shade families, and in each family there are 3 undertones. Okay, so shade 18, which is the deepest shade, is located in the rich category. So we're going in with shade number 18, and we're going to use the big part of the sponge to blend it in. It definitely has a gray, kind of a white cast undertone to it, but we have to remember that this is a skin tint, so it's not supposed to be like a full coverage type of a product, so it might not actually be so white casty after we blend everything in. Oh my god. Okay, this is what it looks like blended all over my skin. Next, I'm going in with the Halo Glow powder filter. It's a pressed powder that has some pigment in it, and it's also buildable. And I will use this on the parts of my face that I'm supposed to add concealer to. Essentially, I'm going to use it to set my under eyes and the parts of my face that I want to brighten a little bit. It is definitely like a reflective, glowy type of a product. I love the tone of this because I feel like once it went on and I'm adding other things on top of it, it's definitely settling in really, really nicely. It's lightweight, it's buildable coverage, and as you can see, it's definitely adding some glow to my skin, giving it that hydrated look, but also definitely setting. The powder is ultra fine. It doesn't have any large glitters in it and blurring the skin. As you can see, the skin tint is definitely making my skin look better, also hydrating my skin because of the hydrating properties in there. I'm going to definitely add some of this powder to my eyelids because we do also want to make sure that the lids are set in place. The under eyes are glowy. The skin is looking dewy, but it's not oily, like sticky. This is a skin tint with a little bit of the pressed the Halo Glow pressed powder on it. As I was applying it, it was definitely looking gray and ashy, but now it definitely blends into my skin really, really nicely. And for some odd reason, the shade definitely settled in and is making my skin look really, really nice. I look like I've been sleeping for hours and drinking my water. This looks really, really nice. I was really expecting it to look ashy. I'm impressed. I was scared, but I am impressed. The other parts of my face I'm not going to set with any powder at all. Am I a bit worried about my smile lines? I will say that I am, but I'm trusting the process, okay? I'm trusting the process. I'm helping out the whole base by adding some bronzer, just something light to help balance everything in, because I don't want to have like a rounded look to my face. I want to absolutely highlight the shadows. Highlight the shadows, you know what I mean. I want the shadows to show up. Just filling in the brows. You don't have to do this part, but if you do want to have snatched brows, it's not a problem. It's definitely going to wash off if I get in the water, but hopefully by then I've already gotten all my pictures and everything I need, so the SPF protecting my skin is the only part that I care about. Okay, let's go in with a little bit of a blush action, because you definitely want some blush on a quick 10-minute look. Just a little bit of bronzer and a little bit of blush and you'll be fine, you know, and out of the door. How much blush just entirely depends on you, okay? I'm going to add a little bit of the Halo Glow Silky powder highlighter. You've seen me use this product in my recreation video of Anok Yai, and yes, it's that girl. I'm just gonna add just a little bit, okay? I know I'm already glowing enough, but just a little bit on the highest points of my cheek just to make them stand out some more. That's it. That's all I'm doing. Maybe my brow bone, because I don't know, the brows need to glow too. Ooh. It looks so good. We're doing our mascara. We're gonna go ahead and line our lips. This is also a lip pencil from e.l.f. And then we're going in with our lip lacquer, also from e.l.f. This is Wild Rose. Okay, this looks too full glam to have only been 10 minutes. I love how my skin is glowing. I've been telling you that I've been loving glowy makeup. And just like that, we are ready for the beach, honey. My skin looks so good. I will show you what it looks like in natural light. I look like I took hours to do my makeup, right? Right? Like, this is the routine that I want. Quick, 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 get ready to go to the beach, whether you're with the kids or the hubs or your sister. I'm describing myself here. I can actually look put together, take very cute pictures, and I can still make it out of the door without needing extra time, because I'm always keeping everybody late because of how long it takes for me to get ready to leave the house for the beach. But this, yeah. I know it's summer and everybody wants a matte down look, but a glowy, dewy look? Like a glowy, dewy look with SPF 50 in there? Anyway, this is my finished look using the e.l.f. Halo Glow Skin Tint and a few of the Halo Glow family products. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. Would you wear this as a beach bronzy makeup look? Because that is exactly what this is, honey. If you want to see more summer skin from me, because I have 2 more routines that I want to show you that's quick and easy and ready to go, definitely subscribe down below and click that notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload my next video. Definitely thumbs up this video, and if you haven't yet heard, there's a new feature on YouTube called hype. Now, when you hype up this video within the first 7 days of upload, it definitely tells the algorithm, me and my channel, that you like this video, and it will get pushed out to more people, so we can get more people to see this gorgeous SPF 50 mineral sunscreen look, okay? Let me know down below in the comments what you think. Would you have guessed that I used e.l.f. products to achieve this makeup look and a skin tint with mineral SPF 50 at that? Thank you, e.l.f. for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I'm so excited. I'm like mellow right now. Let me show you what it looks like in natural light, okay? I can't believe how good this looks like. Wow. Like, I'm impressed. e.l.f. definitely did something here. Look at this. I'm actually cooking right now, and this is what the base is looking like. e.l.f. will like make it possible, right? It's like whatever tech you've seen out there, it's possible. It looks good. I love what like I'm planning a trip and I was going to bring like a bunch of different types of makeup, but I think I'm gonna take this because my base looks ridiculously good right now. The time is now 6:47. I made dinner, fed the kids, walked around. My base looks really, really good. Of course, I'm oily, but I was always glowy whenever it started. It hasn't broken down on me. I thought it would. I literally just ate some yam and contour stew. I thought it would have at least broken up around my lips and on the sides of my smile lines, but nothing. And the sun is like fully on me, so you can see everything. The product is really, really good. Just in case you wanted to see how long the glowy beach makeup look would last. Looks good.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big.